everyone and welcome back to Jessie Leia. I hope that you're all very well and that you've had a brilliant week. Today we are going to do something completely different and I've actually taken inspiration from SophDoesNails, so go check her out on YouTube. She is amazing and so funny. Today we are going to try her video that she did recently as well, which is called Makeup Roulette. So I am going to do my makeup step by step in time seconds. So I've made a wheel here. We'll see how this goes down. So my wheel is made up of 4 seconds ranging to 60 seconds. So there's some on here that's like 6 seconds, 12 seconds, 15 seconds. And I basically have to spin the wheel and see what I get to do steps of my makeup. So for example, if I spin the wheel and I get like 4 seconds to do my primer, well, that'll be fun. So we're going to try and do a full face of makeup today. Obviously, I don't think I'll have time to do a proper glam look for my eyes, so we'll just do something really natural and basic. But yeah, let's get into this and I hope it goes well. So here is my wheel and I will just give it a spin and I'll show you what it's landed on. So my first step is primer. Let's spin this wheel. Okay. Oh god, okay, we literally have 4 seconds to do primer. Oh no! Okay, so let me set a timer for 4 seconds. So that is all set for 4 seconds. Good luck to me! Right, okay, let's just get some on my hand already. Right, I've got my primer ready. 4 seconds. Okay. Oh my god, oh my god. Oh no! Okay, done. I've not even got it on my face. But it's fine, okay. Next step. Next step is actually foundation. So, hopefully, we don't get 4 seconds. That was fun. My face feels gross. I'm gonna kind of let it dry a little bit because I only got it on my cheeks. But yeah, okay, let's spin the wheel. Please, 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 no, please. Okay, we have 10 seconds to do my foundation. This will be fun. Okay, let's set the timer to 10 seconds. Okay, the foundation that I'm using today is the Revolution Conceal and Define. As I said before, I don't usually use foundation. I tend to just use concealer anyway for day to day, especially when I'm going to work and stuff. But I thought I'd give this a try. I've been using it for about a week now and I actually really like it. It's quite cool because it works as a concealer, if that makes sense. So the applicator I find really fun. It's really nice and heavy duty, looks quite pretty. So yeah, I thought I'd give that a try and I'm loving it so far. So let's try and put foundation on in 10 seconds with a very dirty beauty blender because I haven't had a chance to wash it yet, but you know what, it's fine. Are we ready? Okay. Oh no, no. I've got 5 seconds. Oh no. Oh my god. This is terrible. This is absolutely shocking. Look, it's not even blended. Like, this is fun. Oh my god. Please, I need a good time now, guys. I need to sort my skin out. If I could, okay, the next step is concealer. So, if I get a good time, I would actually be able to sort this out a little bit. I hope. Okay, let's spin the wheel again. Come on. We got 12 seconds, guys. Hopefully. Okay, so that's the timer set for 12 seconds. Again, using what I use all the time, is Revolution Concealer and Define Concealer in shade C1. So hopefully this will get the look together. Okay, the timer is set. We're going to start and I'm going to get ready. Okay. This is so bad. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. I tried so hard to just kind of blend what I could. I couldn't blend much in 12 seconds, but it's fine. We'll carry on. Next is contour, and I am dreading this. So to make it a little bit easier for myself, I will use powder contour today. So we're going to use the Revolution Contour and Glow Kit, and as usual I mix these two colours together just because I am so pale, and it doesn't really help that I have barely any product on my face at the moment. So the next timer will determine how long I get. We got 12 seconds again. I mean, that's not too bad. It's not too bad for doing contour. I don't mind that so much, just because I don't really spend a lot of time on contour anyway. So let's see how this goes. Okay, the timer is set and it started. Right, okay, let's go. Oh my god, how do I have 6 seconds left already? Going so quickly. Right. Okay, that's that one done. I'm absolutely hating this because I just look like a hot mess. Well. So next is bronzer, and again I just use the Contour and Glow Kit, and I just go with the lighter shade here. I don't really put much on my face, so hopefully I don't get too long on this one, otherwise I'll be slightly annoyed if I get 30 seconds for bronzer. Okay, let's go. Okay, I kind of wanted a bit longer than that. We have 4 seconds to do bronzer. Yay. So let's see how this plays out. Oh god, no. Right. 4 seconds is on the clock. Let's go. Oh my god. This is really not going well, is it? I mean, I'm just getting really crap times to do this look. Thank god we're not leaving the house today. Right, the next step will be eyeshadow. So, as I said, I am just going to do a very basic look. So we're just going with Jeffree Star Beauty Killer, and we will use shade Courtney just because it's a very nice warm shade that you probably have to see properly anyway, because I won't be able to apply it properly. So let's do this. Let's see how long we have for eyeshadow. Why have I not had a minute yet? We have 12 seconds for eyeshadow. Let's see how this goes. It's not going to go down very well. Tell you what, I'm going to prepare myself already. So I'm just going to get a really quick blending brush. Okay, so I'm going to use this brush right here, and then that is all ready. I'm just going to do this as quick as we can. So 12 seconds on the clock. Let's go. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. 5 seconds left already. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Well, that felt a bit longer than the other 12 seconds that I've had, and I don't know if it's because eyeshadow is quite quick anyway, but this looks absolutely horrendous. Okay, the next part is going to be fun because I need to do liquid liner, and if I get 4 seconds to do this, it's not going to go down very well, but you know what, we're all here for fun. Let's see how long I have. The wheel has been spun. No. I've got 6 seconds. 6 seconds. If it focuses. There we go. 6 seconds to do liquid eyeliner. How on earth am I supposed to do this? 6 seconds. I'm dreading it. Okay. Okay, it's fine, we'll just do it, okay? It's fine. Today we are using Rimmel Glam Eyes liquid liner. I use this a hell of a lot of the time, to be honest. I just find it very easy. Let's see how easy it is in 6 seconds. Okay, the timer is on. Okay, let's go. Oh my god. Okay. Do you want to see? That right there is shocking. Okay, the next step is mascara. Let's see how long we have to do mascara. Please, 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 I just want some good... Okay, so the section that I don't actually need as much time for, we have the most time. I have 30 seconds to do mascara. I was hoping for a little bit longer than 4 seconds, but like 30 seconds for mascara I feel like will be a little bit too long. But you know, we'll take what we can get. 30 seconds on the clock. Let's roll. Oh my god. Ah! How long do we have? Okay, we still got 15 seconds, okay. I can slow down a little bit. This is just horrendous, guys. Like, wow, okay. This is awful. I look like a hot mess. Okay. I just got mascara all over my hands because I was panicking. The next step, guys, is eyebrows. My eyebrows are a hot mess. I don't know how we're going to do eyebrows in like 4 seconds, to be honest with you, but we will try. And what I use for my eyebrows is Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. It looks like this. I've had it for a long time. It's very dirty now. I'll probably get a new one, but you know, we'll see how many seconds we have to do eyebrows. Today is not my day. We have 12 seconds to do eyebrows today. 12 seconds to do eyebrows. Let's time it. This is just going so well. Okay, 12 seconds on the clock. Let's get prepared. Okay, I've got some product on the brush already. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, this looks so bad. No. I hate this so much. Have you seen this? Wow, I look absolutely adorable. This is going well. So the final step of this whole beautiful look is liquid lips, and we're going to go with Jeffree Star Unicorn Blood. Hopefully we get enough seconds to do this properly so it doesn't look too bad, but I mean, I've got this huge patch of foundation here that's not been blended. I've got clumps of mascara, and I've got a really bad eyeliner, and I've got a huge chunk of eyebrow powder on my eyebrow. So, I mean, it can't get any worse. Okay, the timer has been spun, and I have... You are kidding me. You actually are kidding me. I have 60 seconds for my lipstick. I do not need 60 seconds for my lipstick. I should have done 60 seconds for foundation, but you know what? We will take what we can get. Here it is, guys. 60 seconds for my lipstick. Super happy about that. Okay. Let's get the timer on. Okay, 60 seconds. Starting now. God. We still have 44 seconds left. This looks disgusting. I don't know why it looks so bad. Probably because I have foundation all over them and primer. Oh my god. Oh my god. You know what? It's fine. Oh my god. Okay, so this just smudged everywhere. But you know what? I've had better days of makeup, I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh my god. Okay, I hope that you guys have really enjoyed this video. I had so much fun creating it. I would definitely recommend challenging yourselves to do this. It's really, really fun. You know, if you want some time to kill, just test yourself on how quick you can do steps of your makeup, because apparently I need a lot longer than a minute to do my liquid lipstick, which I thought would be a reasonable time, but it's just completely failed, so there's that. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and as I said, please go check out SophDoesNails. That's where I got this inspiration from myself today. I've really enjoyed it. I've had so much fun. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell, because you do not want to miss a thing. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Thank you so much for watching this hot mess be created.